I build, I connect, and I reap rewards after all. And I'm here to actually present the banking details verification system. And most of you are asking yourself what the banking verification system entails. But however, I'll actually take you through that in just a minute. But before I get into it, I'd like to say to you that it takes a brilliant mind to actually have identified the drawings. You can hear me? Okay, thank you. All right. I'm saying that it takes a brilliant mind to have identified the drawings of information technology and to have actually foreseen its applications. And in the modern world of business today, it's very useless to be a creative, original thinker if you cannot sell what you create. And managers cannot always be expected to identify the good ideas unless it is presented to them by a good innovator. And I am here to present the banking details verification system as a good innovator. So the banking details verification system is a system enterprise that builds and organizes testable explanations and the predictions about the future. And the banking details verification system recovers credit risk, equity risk, operational risk, counterpart risk. And the system was developed in response to the following problems that have been identified. Delayed payments and collections, and increased debt, contact loss, no profit, default judgments, and delayed payments. So the banking details requires these resources. It requires development manager, which obviously charges for 800 Rand. A salary per person, it's 86,000 Rand, depending on the scope of the project, which is for 6 months. And the second resource is the development architecture, which also goes for the same amount, 800 Rand, 186,000 Rand for a period of 6 months for the person to actually develop the system. We also require a system analyst, which also goes for the very same amount. And we do need a tester, which costs 300 Rand, and for a period of 6 months. It will probably be between 100,000 Rand and 120,000 Rand. So that's basically what we need. We are in the developmental stage of the system. And the system aims to actually help so let me rather say our clients are as follows. Our clients are banking institutions, our contact centers, our cell phone networking companies. And if you have a debt with one of these financial institutions, the banking details verification system is actually here to ensure that you don't actually run away from paying your debt, but it actually holds you accountable. Because what it aims to do is to automate.